Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to walk like an Egyptian. Yes, I'm serious. I know it's 2023, but some of us still want to learn how to walk like an ancient Egyptian. Why? I have no idea, but let's get started anyways. Now, before we begin, I want to clarify that this tutorial is purely for entertainment purposes only. It's not meant to offend or stereotype Egyptians in any way. So please don't take this too seriously. First things first, we need to forget everything we know about walking. Walking like an Egyptian is a whole new ballgame. It's not your typical stroll in the park. It's a cultural dance, if you will. To master this walk, we need to first observe ancient Egyptian art. Look at their feet. They're not pointing forward like ours. Rather, they're pointing outward. So, to walk like an Egyptian, we need to start with our feet. Point your toes outward and take small steps. Make sure your hips are swaying side to side as you walk. You're not just walking, you're putting on a show. Next, we need to perfect our arm movements. Egyptians love to use their hands and arms to express themselves. So, as you walk, swing your arms back and forth. Think of yourself as a pendulum. If you really want to show off, add some wrist movements to your hand swings. Egyptians were known for their intricate hand gestures. Now that we've got our feet and arms down, let's focus on our posture. Egyptians were all about good posture. They believed a strong spine led to a strong mind, so stand up straight, shoulders back, and chin up. Imagine you're a pharaoh walking among your subjects. Lastly, let's talk about the attitude. Egyptians were confident and proud people. They believed in themselves and their culture. If you want to walk like an Egyptian, you need to embody that same confidence. Hold your head high, smile, and walk with purpose. You're not just walking, you're commanding attention. And there you have it, folks. That's how you walk like an Egyptian. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Remember, this is just for fun, so don't take it too seriously. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to practice my new walk. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.